Today I'm going to be disassembling this 2010 to 2011 Toyota Camry headlight. This is just a regular halogen headlight, pretty easy to take apart. The first step you need to know is to turn around to the back, and there are approximately 8 screws holding the lens onto the light. So the first thing I'm going to do is go around and remove all of these screws. Alright, so I've got all 8 screws out. So the next step is to get this lens removed. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lens off, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've separated the lens from the housing. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a pull off here. And you can see, here's the projector, and on the inside of the housing, the front bezel is actually attached to the lens via a handful of T15 screws here. So this here is a separate piece for this upper little side marker reflector. There's a tab on this side that you can pop off, and then this unit should slide right on out. So here's the upper reflector removed. Now I'm going to remove these little T10 screws. With those T15 screws removed, this front bezel should come out. I know that this one's already broken, so I'm not concerned about it. I've separated the bezel from the lens. Now I'm going to remove this clear plastic lens from the chrome bezel. And on the inside are a couple of plastic tabs that you can use a flat screwdriver. Just pop these out and then lift up on the lens and pull it forward. Once you have that pulled off, you can flip this around, and there are 3 clips holding in the amber reflector, and you should be able to just take a little flathead screwdriver and pop it out. There we go. Okay, so now we have the amber reflector removed from the clear lens. Set this stuff aside. So now we have the rest of the housing here, and the projector is held on by 4 Phillips head screws. They are front facing, so you have to remove the bezel and the lens to get access to remove the projector. And then with those 4 screws removed, you now have the H11 halogen projector removed. And then from here, the turn signal reflector looks like it's held on just by 1 Phillips head screw. Yep. So we have that removed. And then to remove the projector bracket and the high beam reflector, we need to turn it around and loosen this 8mm adjusting bolt. So with that removed, now we have one more to remove here on the top. We can take a flathead screwdriver or a pair of pliers, and we just want to slide this down and apply leverage and pop it off. Now we have one more on the side, and at this point we can just use our hand and pop it off. And now we have access to the 3 screws holding on the high beam reflector. Okay, so there's the reflector removed. Here is the projector and high beam reflector mounting bracket. And here is what is left of the inside of the headlight housing. So I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.